Hi, welcome to my home office. I'm Brett. I'm a relatively new drone pilot. I got my Part 107 last December, and I love drones, as you can see. I wanted to do this little video here because I've been looking for a new drone for about 6 months and wanting the Mavic 4 Pro, and it's been a difficult journey trying to find a good supplier, and certainly a local supplier with a decent price. So I ended up going with a company in South Korea, and it arrived today. And it only took about 4.5 days to get here from the time I purchased it to my doorstep. So kind of a two-part video. I want to do an unboxing of it, but more importantly, wanted to show everybody, the condition and everything of the shipping, condition of the drone, make sure everything is there, and also if there's any issues, and I've got video footage of maybe something wrong, missing parts, broken parts, things like that. So now let's open this thing. Moment of truth. We're gonna open this thing up. I'm a little nervous. Definitely use a small knife. You don't want to cut into the box, but I think their packing is amazing from this company here. So, take a look at it. And we have some foam here. It's wrapped also in the RC Pro 2. Amazing. And this is one sign you kind of want to look forward to. This is DJI's little tab here, kind of show it has not been opened, and the box is in fantastic shape. First part done, outer box. Now we're going to go on the inner box. One of the things I did want to mention from this company in South Korea, the plug is UK plug, so they send you a little adapter for America, which I thought was very nice of them. So even though this is from South Korea, it looks to be maybe a UK model, but doesn't matter. They all come from China, and they're all fantastic drones. All right. So I wanted to kind of do this for everybody that has been hesitant on buying a drone, especially buying a drone overseas. I was very skeptical too, but had a couple of people that bought from the same company, and they had great results. I trusted them, went with the same, and been pleased so far. The original bag, original plastic here. And this is about the only bag you'll ever need. It's a nice strap carry. This here fits over your luggage, so you can travel with it. Very nice addition there, I didn't know about. So, oh my goodness. Very exciting. Pack of new blades, always nice to have. These are your 3 batteries here. And one of the most amazing things about the drone, the new RC Pro 2 controller, and the beast itself, Mavic 4 Pro. Opening this. Wow. That is a big drone. Compared to my little Mini 4 Pro, you can see the difference in the size here. This thing, what I heard, is going to be an amazing drone. But everything looks to be in order, brand new. Shipped fantastic. So I couldn't be happier. So I want everybody, if you're interested where I bought it from, you can either go to my website, Sin City Sky, at Facebook or YouTube, or you can email me at sincityskyLV@gmail.com, and I'll give you all the information about the purchasing, the price, the shipping, the vendor. They are a top seller for eBay, so I did trust them. They had excellent reviews, and they've been around for about 15 years. So very pleased with them, very happy, and happy flying.
Open it.
Oh, open it. I don't know how to open it. Set the bag down. Still got some power supply stuff in there. So, little shipping protector for the blades there. And I would believe the same thing here.
You have to face it.
Opens up. Opens up. You also have little rubber bumpers there for shipping. And there we go. I don't have a battery in there. I don't know if it's charged, but you got your 360 gimbal here. Ah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing drone here. All right. Bye, everyone.